Hey guys, Goofy Bastard here. So, today I was kind of hoping for a sunrise over Valley Forge Park, but it's kind of overcast and cloudy. So, we're not going to get that, but I figured for the reveal, it would be nice if we had a sunrise, I mean, look at Valley Forge Park, man, it's beautiful out here. See all the grass and the fucking trees, monuments. So, yeah. So I guess ain't nothing to do it but to do it. Guys want to find out what I got? I'll be more than happy to show you. So, before I show you, I just want to give you a sight of what I'm looking at here. Like I said, beautiful Valley Forge Park. It's gorgeous out here, isn't it? So, I guess what y'all been waiting for, and just to let you know, the next video I'll explain exactly why I got this bike. So, without further ado, my friends, there she is. 2023 Harley Davidson Lowrider ST. This is the bike I chose. Like I said, I will tell you in the next video why exactly I chose this bike. But this is what I got. Like I said, 2023 Lowrider ST, and the only color you should ever buy a Harley, vivid black. So guys, that's what I got. That's what I'm riding. Like I said, about ready to jump on this bad boy and head on home. Just got done work. So, until next time, my friends, like I said, I will explain why I got this bike in the next video. But until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.